SOLTECH Solar Lighting, How to Use a SOLTECH Charger Video Guide. Please contact SOLTECH Customer Service for a charger. It does not come included in purchase. SOLTECH Customer Service contact information is below. Step 1. Plug in the charger to a power source and connect it to the fixture. The charger specs are below. Step 2. Use the remote control to turn on the fixture. The sensor should show a 1 to 2 second slow red flashing light, which means the battery is being charged. Please charge the battery for at least 2 hours and install the fixture no later than a week after it has been charged. Step 3. After charging the fixture, unplug the charger cable and secure back the rubber cover. Then, use the remote control to turn off the fixture to save the charge. Step 4. When you are ready to install the fixture, use the remote control to turn it on, then install on the pole. For more details, please watch the Check the Performance of the Fixture video. If the sensor shows a 1 second red flashing light when the fixture is being charged, please contact SOLTECH Customer Service at 510-891-1056 or email us at hello@soltechlighting.com. When you contact us, please have your PO number and purchasing date ready. Thank you for watching. For more information, please visit www.soltechlighting.com.